Hi friends, today we are going to cook Rayalaseema fish curry. So before starting to the recipe here, I am going to suggest you to take a very small size fishes so that it will give a very tasty curry to you apart from the big size fishes. So we required to do ingredients we required to do this fish curry is 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 medium size onion, 2 green chilies along with some coriander leaves. Then take 1 big tablespoon of garlic, some curry leaves, 5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of dill seeds and 5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 100 grams of tamarind and 1 big size spoon of salt and 5 tablespoons of coconut powder. So before starting the preparation of curry, try to mix or grind all the spices here. Spices like red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, dill seeds, turmeric powder, garlic, curry leaves, all these ingredients try to mix in a grinder and make a paste of it.
So when we mix all the spices in a paste, it's look like this. So our paste is ready now. Now we are going to make slowly we'll start the preparation how to make a fish curry. Okay?
So now almost our bowl is heated. I am going to pour 2 big tablespoons of sunflower oil here. So it's your optional thing. If you want to use olive oil, you can use olive oil, or else you can use groundnut oil. So now we are using here a sunflower oil. It will give a tasty to the curry. Once the oil is heated, take 1 medium size of onion, slice the onion, and fry it until it turns golden color. Add some dill leaves so that it will give a delicious taste to your fish curry. Guys, have a look. Our onion got turned into golden color. Once it's done, try to pour ginger and garlic paste, 2 spoons of ginger and garlic paste, and try to stir it well. If you leave like this, it will stick to the pan. So that I am requesting you, once you pour the ginger and garlic paste, try to stir it well continuously. Look guys, the smell is very superb here. So once the smell is evacuating, then you have to pour green chilies. Then after slowly pour tomatoes. Stir it well so that the onions and tomatoes, green chilies, ginger and garlic paste will mix well. Have to mix well. Then later on, take the spices paste and try to pour it into the bowl. Once the spices masala is added to the bowl, then try to stir it well so that all the ingredients have to mix well and it will give a delicious taste to your curry. Now in meantime, try to make the tamarind juice. Once the juice is done, try to add this juice to the bowl. So guys, have a look on it. Almost our gravy was done. Now try to add the fishes into the gravy slowly. Okay. Now we are adding the fishes to the gravy. Try to pour 1 by 1 fishes. Now after adding the fishes to the gravy, try to add some coriander leaves to the curry and make sure that all those fishes have to cook at least 30 minutes. Look guys. Now close the lid and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee so that it will give a good odor to the curry as well as taste to the recipe. Now our fish curry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel.